We have an active call, we know, because we have a solid green indicator against our call appearance. If available, we'll see the caller ID name, number, along with the call duration. The bottom menu shows transfer, hold, conference, end call. To add a third party to the call, select Conference and enter the digits of the party you wish to reach. And select Call. When the destination party answers, select Conference to join all three parties. The bottom menu now shows Conference, Hold, Manage, as well as an icon that would indicate more menu options. To manipulate the participants in the conference, select Manage, and you can scroll down to highlight a party that you wish to remove. Once one party has been removed, you continue talking to the original participant. Return the handset to the cradle, or select End Call to terminate.